Registering with GST is a simple two-stage process consisting of Part A and Part B of the registration application. This video will introduce you to Part A of the registration application. To begin, access the GST portal at www.gst.gov.in. At the home page, scroll down and click the Register Now link. Note that the fields marked with a red color dot are mandatory fields, and the available parameters depend on the type of registration that you select in the first drop-down here. The New Registration option is selected by default. Go ahead and open the I am a drop-down list and select Tax Deductor. Provide your location information and legal name. Enter your permanent account number, PAN, or Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number, TAN. You can take TDS registration based on either PAN or TAN. Enter your account number, a valid email address, and an Indian mobile phone number. GST portal will communicate one-time passwords, OTPs, and notifications through this email address and mobile phone number. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click Proceed. This will send two different OTPs, one each on your mobile phone number and email address. On the next page that appears, enter the two OTPs and click Proceed. This will complete Part A of the registration application and will generate a temporary reference number, TRN. Note down this TRN. You will need this for filling Part B of the registration application form. We'll see how to do that in the next video. Thank you.